I'm going to give you 5 reasons to document your fitness journey. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. Number 5, accountability. You're wasting valuable time trying to figure out what you want to do because you don't have a plan set in place. A simple strategy is to have a notebook or use your notes on your phone. We always have our phone on us. Plan out your workouts the night before, so that way, when you wake up and head to the gym, you know exactly what you're going to do and no time is wasted so that you can get in and out. Number 4, progression. You need to look back at what you've done to interpret your performance and progress yourself appropriately. If you're not overloading your muscles, you're just maintaining and not getting stronger, better, or faster. Just to be clear, there's absolutely nothing wrong with maintaining. This is more for progression purposes. If you're not paying attention to how much you're lifting, running, or eating, you'll find yourself at a standstill with no answers as to why you're stuck. Number 3, strengths and weaknesses. Tracking your fitness journey and learning what your training is lacking is important in order to get better. You can identify areas that need more work and are better able to close that gap. It becomes very difficult to put into perspective how much you actually focus on a particular area of training if you're not writing it down to go back, reference, and adjust your program accordingly. Number 2, motivation. Whether you're documenting workout logs, measurements, or before and after photos, use your progress as your motivation. Recording your journey is like a personal diary for you that can be used as an intrinsic motivation. Seeing progress and recording results leads to self-determination and satisfaction. This intrinsic motivation leads to a positive behavior change, encouraging continued training and goal setting. Number 1, gratitude. There are a lot of people that wish they were where you are right now. It's easy to beat yourself up and become frustrated when you haven't reached a goal. Don't forget how far you've come and the right things you're doing right now. You may not realize that you're someone else's motivation just by being you right now. We're in constant pursuit in becoming the best version of ourselves. We always want more and want to reach higher goals. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And click on this video to learn the worst 5 diet mistakes for fat loss. That's it. That's all. See you next time.